disturbed.
Yeah, well, that's about all I know so far. The men are still there sifting through the ashes looking for clues.
I'm more concerned with finding Baldwin.
The APB is out. They'll find him sooner or later.
What do you think?
About what?
Baldwin, I mean, is this kind of thing up his alley?
I tell you, Robert, it might have been a while ago, but right now I doubt it.
I don't like not being able to find him. It could mean he's left town. What about Heather Weber? Have you tried to contact her?
Yeah, no answer to her apartment, and her roommate hasn't heard from her either.
Last night?
Bed wasn't slept in.
Well, look, keep looking, and the minute you find them, either of them, let me know, will you?
You'll be at home, right?
In my office. I just put Ollie on a helicopter for the mountains. I'm going to hang around here until she reaches her destination.
Well, what's she going to the mountains for?
Oh, well, she said some sort of a camping trip, but me, I call it a ghost hunt.
Well, what's that supposed to mean?
I haven't the time to explain, but keep me posted, Bert. This is the police commissioner to Air Mobile 2. Come in, please.